Hey guys, so if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to know what these little pink squares are. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So actually, sometimes when you order rhinestones or, craft stuff, the seller will actually give you these. And don't throw them away. Keep them because I'm going to show you what they're for. So they have a little plastic on both sides. You're going to go ahead and remove that. Put it to the side or toss it. So now we're going to rip a little piece off. You see how I did? Just a little tiny piece. And roll it into a ball. Roll it up. And then once it's ready, you can get your old pickup tool, a pen, a pencil, and then put it right on the edge. Make sure it's on good. And then there you go. You got your own brand new pickup tool. That is what they're for. You see how I'm picking up the rhinestones like it's nothing? They are actually to make your own pickup tool. So if you don't have a pickup tool, you can make your own. All you need is something to put it on. Now I'm going to put it on a toothpick. And I got myself another pickup tool. So there you see, that's what they are for. So when you order something, rhinestones or whatever it is you're ordering, and it comes with these, don't throw them away because you never know when you could use them. So now you know what they're for. To make your own pickup tool. You see how it's so easy for me to pick up those rhinestones? Super easy. So they're actually wax. That's why they work. So if you guys ever wondered what these are, now you know. So like I said, don't throw them away. Save them because you never know when you won't need them. You can put them on anything, pencil, pen, your old pickup tool, a toothpick, anything. So there you guys go. You can use the whole little square or tear off a piece like I did. So there you go. I hope you guys learned something, and like always, thanks for watching.